guys, we're back today. This is episode, I want to say 7 for the GY6 build. I always tend to forget what episode this is. But yeah, this is episode 7. We finally got the exhaust. Yes, that is a eBay exhaust. I couldn't get one off of Amazon or any other one because they're way too expensive. I could have got one off of Amazon almost for the same price. Would have been here faster, but Amazon does not ship these to my house because I live in California, so I don't know what that problem is. I got other stuff to worry about. So anyway, before I get started, I want to say thank you to my new subscribers. Like I said, this channel has been going a little bit, it's been blowing up a little bit faster than usual. I remember when I was like I remember when I was like at 20 subscribers, and then 20 went to 40, 40 80, 80 100, freaking 100 300. Sometimes it just keeps going up. So I want to say thank you to everybody. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for sticking along for all those day 1 subscribers. We are going to be installing the GY6 exhaust today, so a little review on it. I don't know how this goes. I hope it goes the way I think it's gonna go. So this is a bracket that's gonna be connecting onto somewhere there, and then this is the main muffler, which is pretty cool. It comes with the silencer, so stay tuned. I will have the silencer on or off. I will ride it up and down the street with the silencer on and off, so I mean it lets you guys decide how you guys like it. I will also turn on the Ruckus with no exhaust, and then with a exhaust and with a silencer, so you guys could see the difference, hear the different how much of a tone of a difference it is. So this is the exhaust that I bought it off of eBay. Don't judge. I don't, this is all we could get for right now, just to get it up and running. Maybe in the future I'll purchase a little bit better one. So this one's gonna be going like somewhere around here. I hope this thing fits, because I've seen comments where it's like, oh, it don't fit. But this is my downpipe that I believe goes like that, something like this. So we're gonna be installing this, and I do have an extra spark plug that I got off of the Ruck shop, so we'll be installing this little spark plug too, but only if the stock one does not it's not what I'm thinking. If it's like a cheap little spark plug, then I'm gonna go ahead and change it out, because I'm not trying to freaking be stuck in the middle of the street, later down in the future, where it's just something simple. Or I don't want the spark plug to break, in the little head. So we'll be changing out the spark plug if it's a cheap one. If it's a NGK one that it came with, then we'll just leave it on there. But besides that, let's go ahead and get started. Let's get this exhaust on and let's go. Bam, guys, looks like it's all mounted up. we only got one problem. I don't think this is gonna be able to go anywhere. Why me? Why me? Unless, you know, I hit this with the, yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this one, but I mean, this thing's actually pretty sturdy, you know. I mean, it's loose right here a little. Nah, it's actually not. It's actually pretty good. What I could probably do, you know what I'm saying? Nope. Nope. I don't know. I mean, my whole plan was to, I think it's supposed to go right there, but I don't got anything. Alright, so I mean, it's already fully on. I mean, I don't know how this bracket's gonna go. I'll probably have to customize this bracket or something. Probably gonna have to make something to make it work or something, but I mean, right now I can't. I mean, this thing won't work. Yep. I mean, I could weld something up for it, you know, slide up and down or something, but I mean, I think we're good. I think we're good. Alright, so, alright, back to the video. It's already installed, so let's see how this thing actually sounds with it on. Right now it has a silencer, so let's go ahead. Let me put the camera near the exhaust. Alright, here goes nothing. This is with the silencer on. Alright guys, so we're gonna be starting it without the exhaust real quick. So let's go ahead and get that on. Come on. Alright, there we go. We're gonna start it. Has no exhaust. Probably just let it idle and you guys will see the difference. So here goes with no exhaust. Actually like shifted this way. I don't know why, but it shifted this way. And besides that, it's pretty good. I've got to figure out how to make a bracket. So now let's go ahead and take off the silencer, and then I'll show you guys a video with the silencer actually off. Guys, almost there. Is it hot? Oh yeah, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. Too hot. Alright, come on baby, there you go. Oh, I guess you could take that little piece off too if you don't want it, but we're about to find out right now. I might keep that on, not too sure. So most definitely I like it without the exhaust silencer. So yep, let's go ahead and put this bike back inside because I don't have license plates for it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and that's pretty much it. Here's the last little look for the little Ruckus. Know what I'm saying? Pretty good. Peace out.